everyone. Are you running an online marketplace and looking to boost your sales while enhancing your customer satisfaction? What if I tell you there is a powerful tool that can transform your Shopify store experience? Today, we are going to explore the seller tags and categories feature application for the Multivendor Marketplace application by Webkul. Here is what we will be covering in this video. An overview of the feature app, how to enable this feature app and start using, basic configurations and workflow, and a brief overview of the customer's front-end experience. So let's start. Let's first understand what the seller tags and categories feature app is all about. Imagine this. You are shopping on a marketplace with hundreds of sellers offering a variety of products. And you are looking for sports shoes. But all you see is a mix of casual, formal, and sports shoes from different sellers. So now, how will you find exactly what you need? This is where this app comes in. Using seller tags and categories, vendors can assign tags and categories to their profiles as defined by the admin. These tags and categories become the filter on the storefront, helping customers to quickly find the relevant sellers and products. For example, if you filter by sports shoes category, you will see only listing from sellers offering sports shoes. This means no irrelevant distractions, easier comparison of products across sellers, and a smoother and more satisfying shopping experience. Now let's see how you can enable this feature app. So first, go to MVM app admin panel, click on three dots here in the top right corner and go to feature app section. Now here, search for seller tags and categories, and here click on enable and then approve the charges. As you can see, we have already enabled this feature app on our panel. So that's it. Once the feature app is enabled, it is time to do the basic configuration. Let's understand how to do the basic configuration. So for that, go to MVM app admin panel, go to configuration section and then seller configuration. Here you can allow sellers to assign tags and categories to their profiles. Let me walk you through the key settings. Here you see allow sellers to give tags to itself. You can enable these settings to let seller assign tags to their accounts. Now here you will see restrict sellers to add tags at sign up page. You can enable these settings if you want to limit sellers to be able to add tags from the sign up page. Next, allow sellers to give categories to itself. Similar to tags, these settings let sellers to assign categories to their profiles. Next, you will see restrict sellers to add categories at sign up page. You can enable these settings if you want to limit the category addition at the sign up page. Once you customize these settings, you can click on Save. So that was all about the basic configuration. Now let's understand how admin can add tags and categories. For adding tags, go to Seller section, Seller tags. Now click on Add Tag button. Enter the tag name and click on Save Changes. Similarly, For adding categories, again go to seller section, seller collection, click on add collection button. Now here enter the collection title and then click on save changes. So this was all about how admin can add tags and categories. Now let's understand how admin can assign tags and categories to the seller. So for that, go to seller section, seller listing. Now click on three dots and edit the seller. Now scroll down to the seller category section and choose the categories. And in the seller tags field, choose the tags. Now click on save changes. Now the tags and categories has been assigned to the seller. Now let's understand how seller can assign tags and categories to their profile. So there are two ways for sellers to assign tags and categories to their profile. First is during the setup process. When the seller first registers on the platform, they can assign tags and categories to their profile directly from the sign up page. This is done by selecting relevant tags and categories. Once the selection has been made, click on Create My Account button to finalize the profile setup. Second method is through the seller panel. If the seller wants to update or change their tags and categories later, they can do this from the seller panel. To update their profile, seller should go to Profile, My Account. Now scroll down to Seller Category section, choose the relevant category and then choose the relevant tags and click on Save. Now that everything is set up, let's see how this feature transforms the shopping experience for the customer. When customer visits your store, they can filter sellers by tags and categories. For example, if someone wants Adidas sports shoes, they can click on relevant tags and categories to see all the matching sellers. This makes the shopping faster and more enjoyable, leading to higher customer satisfaction and increased sales. And that was all about seller tags and categories feature app. It's a simple yet powerful tool that helps customer to find exactly what they need while making your store more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Let me know in the comments about your favorite online shopping experience or if you have any questions about this feature app. See you in the next video.